Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here today. Come down to Ducati Chelmsford to have a look at the Ducati V4s Streetfighter again. I've ridden this bike a few times, loved the bike. Got a customer's one in here today that they're going to put some parts on. The Akrapovic full system, some Magnesium Wheels and some other little parts. So we're going to have a look at the standard one, then we're going to have a look at the one with the parts on, have a listen to them, and I'll let you know the price of these parts at the end, because I'm not going to lie, they are a little bit expensive. Here's all the bits ready to go on. There's the end cans. The old wheel tyre coming off. Put these little babies on. These wheels, look at these, they don't weigh nothing, just for the in case it goes. Here's the exhaust on the bike, look in the nuts, rear wheel. Yeah, why not? Right, so obviously a big difference now between the standard and this. Gap there between the seat and the wheel where the exhaust sits against the standard. It's quite enclosed. Tail tidy length. It's a lot better. Carbon cover that comes with the exhaust, just looks nice. Carbon hugger. So let's have a little listen to this starting up. Have a listen to the standard.
Sounds like it's not working.
Yeah. So obviously the standard one don't sound like, it sounds like there's something wrong with it now. Well, that's the bits put on the customer's bike. Now I did say I would let you know the price, etc., of the wheels and the exhaust. So the exhaust comes in at a little over £4,300. You should have braced yourself for that, I suppose, which is about $5,400 US. To me, it does sound better. Tick over ain't that different, but when you actually just throttle the bike a bit, it definitely sounds a lot better. Now there is benefits of this exhaust. It does save you 5.5 kilos in weight, and also supposed to give you another about 12 brake horsepower, taking the bike up to like 220 brake horsepower, just in case you need that while you're riding about. The wheels, they come in at £4,300 or just under, so just the wheels and exhaust there will cost you around about £8.5 grand, a little over, plus chuck on the extra bits of carbon and stuff, you know, you're probably pushing 10 grand for all them bits. When the bike's 20 grand originally, another 10 grand on top, so you make your mind up what you think. So obviously it does make it a bit more powerful, does make it a bit more lighter, and it does make it sound a bit better. You know, it's up to you whether you want spending that sort of money on it, but you know, to me it looks good, sounds good, so everyone's a winner. Well, let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks very much for watching. Now when the lockdown is over, we will be doing more videos on bike reviews, test rides, unboxing, track days, all different things, so please stick around and like and subscribe if this is what you're into, and see you again soon. Thanks very much.